All right, so this time I start taking care of stuff. Uh, Meeting this gator, and I got some stuff I want to try today. I don't know, how well it'll work, but I'm not going to show you just yet. I'm going to keep you in suspense. Is this, I was given it, okay? I didn't buy it. I was given the product, okay? Is this SC1, okay? Now, I know they've used Co-Power Sport, used it on the outside, but I'm not so sure if you use it on the inside. Maybe I'll ask the question now and use my Meguiar stuff on the inside. Maybe. Because to be quite frank with you, I like Meguiars, but I'm really itching to try this stuff. I just don't know how it will do on the inside. So before I do anything, like apply Meguiars to the inside, I'm going to take and blow this cab out because it's dirty. See all the dirt and stuff over there. It needs to be cleaned. I don't know if it's just a me thing or not, but I don't feel right applying Meguiar's cleaner to the upholstery when it's dirty. I feel it'd be better to blow it off first and then go after it. So let me go get a can of that stuff. We'll see what it does or how well it works. So I'm gonna try it on this passenger door here, and it says to shake well. Okay, I think that shook up enough. Now, taking spray. Didn't say anything about letting it sit, but I'm going to because, I don't know the stuff that well, and, I feel that if you let stuff sit, it'll work better than new. You just take a clean rag. I don't think it really specifies what kind of clean rag, whether it be one of those microfiber cloth things or just a regular rag like this. Just take and wipe it all over. And I'll bring it back when I get this done and the rest of it. See how it's bringing that shine back already? Cool. Okay, so let me get to cleaning here. And there it is after I got done with it using the product. So I'm happy. It's even got a nice smell to it. Still wish this camera had a smell-o-vision thingy, but it don't. So guys just have to pretend what it smells like. So now to do the outside. So I'm not sure about this product. It says I'm supposed to buff out when I'm done, but I'm not gonna, because I don't have that capability to use a buffer. I'm just gonna spray. We'll try that. And then it said you're supposed to let it sit for 60 seconds, so do this bottom panel here. Don't really know if I'm supposed to be applying this stuff when it's windy out or not, but I assume that's all the more you need. Let that dry, and then we'll come back and wipe those two areas off. I'm not even sure if you're supposed to use like t-shirt material. What's the instructions say? Blah blah blah. So I guess I'm supposed to use microfiber towel. I know that ain't the world's best job, like on the rail here, but it's all chewed up and it looks like crap from hauling firewood, because that's all that this thing does throughout the winter, is it hauls firewood and stuff like that. Got a feeling I should have let this dry, but this is my first time doing it, so guys, cut me some slack, okay? And I'll bring you back when I'm done. I guess the only real dry spot I got's this mirror here. I guess. Have to wait for the rest of it to dry. But let this dry, wipe it off, we'll see how it looks. If you remember, it was all faded, and you know what? Bet you this other side's dry. Yeah, check this out. Look how it's all, you know, faded and stuff. I'm gonna do it ever so lightly so that I don't get overspray on the glass, and then we'll bring it back to wipe it off. All right, so it's been about a minute. How cool is that, huh? How cool is that? It brought that shine right back to the way it should be. This stuff is just, it's awesome. I just really love it. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and see how this looks. Remember how it was all faded and corroded and everything? Well, not no more, guys. Not no more. This stuff, it's just awesome. I can't say no bad about it. I just love it. Let's see what it'll do to that down there. You want to? I'm up for it. Yeah, I mean, basically this stuff just ought to be called Restore in a Can, because that's phenomenal how it just, look, how it just brought it right back to its original finish. You know, I'm taking my nail, digging it, and it's not even, you know, coming off or anything. So yeah, SC1, I love your product. I love it, I really do. I wish more people would buy it, even though I didn't get sponsored to say that. I love it. Well, there you have it. One clean and well-maintained gator. It brought that out better than I thought it would, as well as the back of the mirror head here, how it brought that back to life. I can't say no bad about about both products, Meguiar's and SC1. I just can't. I mean, just, you know, look at this. It's just immaculate. I mean, yeah, got some water on the floor, but I think that's my own fault. But you know, it's just immaculate how you buy the right product and you can make, you know, anything look like new. I'm tickled pink with how, you know, this stuff turned out. I love it. I'm buying more SC1. I know I am. I love it. But I don't really think you have to use it all the time. Just like wax, you only use it when necessary. Which is something I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna wax, you know, I'm gonna wax this hood, because, you know, the thing sits out and I don't want it to start fading, I'm gonna do that after the thing dries off, maybe later this afternoon when I take a break from mowing grass or something. So yeah, so thank you, SC1. I love your product. Yeah, so I was given to me by Co Power Sports. Go check them out. Their stuff is right here on this sticker, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. I just realized that it brought that plastic back after fading. Wow. That stuff might as well be called restoring a can. Yeah, because that stuff is awesome. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.